Hi everyone, I'm Mallory, your friendly neighborhood car reviewer, and I'm here to show you a 2018 Nissan Titan located at Thousand Islands Toyota at 555 Stewart Boulevard in Brockville, Ontario. As you can see, the exterior color of this Titan is white and has 71,863 kilometers on it. This vehicle is also four-wheel drive and has a 5.6 liter 8-cylinder gas engine that puts out 390 horsepower. By the way, if you like these videos and want to see more, please like and subscribe to our page so we can keep them coming. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior features. So just like we always do, we're going to take a look at the driver's side interior door panel. So as you can see here, you have this nice little design. Here you have your power windows, your power locks, your child safety locks, your power folding mirrors, and you also have your power adjusting mirrors. You also have on the door a seat preset. So if you like your seat set a certain way and your spouse or your friend or your brother like your seat set a different way, you can have your seat set to preset number 1 and theirs can be number 2. So every time you hop in the truck, your seat will automatically, if you just hit number 1, your seat will automatically go just the way that you like it. You also have a nice handle here with a nice compartment at the bottom and 2 cup holders in the door as well. You do also have power seats as well. Just a quick look at the front interior with the seats are leather. You do on the steering wheel, it is leather, but you also have this nice little wood design that's nice and smooth, easy to grip in the wintertime. You also have these side steps on the outside. We'll see more about that later. Very easy for just stepping up and hopping in. If you're like me, I use them all the time. Here you have your steering wheel audio controls. So here you can adjust the volume, make a call that has voice recognition on it, hang up the phone, and you can also turn the digital screen on and off as well. Quick look over here at the odometer. So over on the left at the top, you have your RPM. At the bottom, you have how hot and how cold your coolant levels are getting. In the middle, you have a little digital screen that at the top tells you how many kilometers you have until an empty tank. And then on the top right, it tells you how many kilometers are on the vehicle. At the bottom, it'll tell you the temperature, what gear you're in, and also has a tire monitor system as well. So it can tell you if anything's wrong with your tires. Over on the right-hand side at the top, you have your speedometer, and at the bottom, you have your fuel gauge. Quick look over here at the radio. You do have a CD player at the top. You also have satellite radio, and you also have a navigation system. So here's the map. You can punch in your address, or you can also hit nav, and you can go to street address, previous destinations, and go from there. You also have a backup camera, which you can find by just clicking camera. And there's a look at your backup camera here. Quick look at some of the controls here. So you have your rear window defrost. You can also adjust the temperature not only on the driver's side, but on the passenger side as well. So you can have 2 different temperatures. And you can have it circulating through the vehicle. So it comes from the back to the front and front to the back, or you just have them go from the front right straight to the back. Looking down below here, you have an auxiliary input. Sorry, you have a USB input, an auxiliary input, and you have a 12-volt outlet here, but you also have one right over here. You also have heated and cooled seats, which you could adjust by just turning the little knob here. Have a nice little compartment with some cup holders. Then you just lift up the glove box here. The console, sorry. And right down in here, you also have another 12-volt outlet as well. Quick look over here on the passenger side. As you can see on the passenger side door, you also have your power locks and your power windows as well. You also have a nice glove compartment here, which is great for storing any owner's manuals or any receipts that you've done for maintenance on the truck. Now let's hop out and take a look at some of the exterior features. So here we're going to take a quick look at the driver's side exterior. So as you can see right down here, you have your fog lights. You also have your LED headlights here. On the mirrors, you also have integrated turn signal mirrors. But you also have a monitor, so it's telling you your blind spot monitor here. And you also have heated mirrors. You can see the little icon just right down at the bottom here, right there. Here's our side steps that go right straight from the front all the way to the back seat. Now we're gonna come and check out the trunk and the tailgate. So here you have your bumper, and this is what I love. A lot of bumpers like this are coming nowadays on new trucks. See how it dips down here? You have that extra step to get up into the back, which I find is perfect. Now there's a little trick to opening up this tailgate. You simply just see this little knob here. You're gonna turn it to the right. And once you do, this will pop right up. Pops right up just like that. And then you can drop the tailgate. Just like that. There is winter tires in the back here. Sorry, those are the summer tires, and they're already on rims and everything. So you can see all the room that you have back here. Fit a couple hockey bags, maybe even a lawn tractor back here if need be. And then you just simply close everything up. Now let's hop in and take a look at some of the interior rear features. So just like we do in the front, we're also gonna do in the back. So we're looking at the driver's side rear interior door panel. So as you can see here, you only have your power windows back here, but you have a nice handle here, and then at the bottom a little compartment with 2 cup holders in it as well. Quick look at the back seat. So you can see the interior is leather as well. You have 2 nice pouches in behind the driver's side seat. You also have them in behind the passenger side seat as well. Here's what I like that's different from any of the other trucks that we have on the lot. You have heated rear seats for both of them. You also have a 120 volt outlet here, and you have air vents. So if you want them on full blast or down low, you can choose whichever you like. You also have a few cup holders here. And then you pop this down. You have a few more cup holders, and you have an armrest. Perfect for those long road trips. Quick look over on the passenger side, and as you can see, you have your power windows on that door as well. But you have lots of nice leg room. So this would be great for those hockey tournaments or those long road trips, or even those trips just going into town with the kids in the back seat. You have lots of leg room, and no one's going to be squished back here. All right, folks, that was our 2018 Nissan Titan in white. If this is the type of vehicle you're looking for, please give us a call at 613-342-9111, and one of our product advisors would be happy to assist you with a test drive. For more information on this vehicle, you can visit us at thousandislandstoyota.com or email sales@thousandislandstoyota.com. If there's anything you're interested in, please let us know in the comment section, and I'll make sure to address it in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our page. Until then, take care, and I'll see you next time.